everyone, it's your girl Coco Chanel back with another YouTube video. I did the big chop. Congratulations to me. You will find this process in another video, but this one we are going to be doing a co-wash and a deep conditioner. I will be using Aunt Jackie's Purify Me Moisturizing Co-Wash Cleanser, Aunt Jackie's Coco Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. I'll be using those two products along with some extra essentials I needed: a spray bottle and a shower cap for my deep conditioning process. I also like to use a t-shirt, as you can see that hanging around my neck, an old t-shirt to blot dry my hair because I like to keep my moisture in my hair and on my scalp along the process. So first was spraying my hair, saturating my hair with my water bottle. Just making sure my entire head was wet before applying the co-wash cleanser. So just massaging that water in, just getting my scalp ready to be loved on by Aunt Jackie. So the directions calls for you to gently massage into your hair and scalp and not vigorously shampoo. So I did just that. And after I was done, I thought I wanted to use this bowl of water and dip my head and rinse it out, but I found out that that was a fail because the table was too short and so was my hair. So I just went ahead and did it the old school way and stuck my head in the tub. A tub or a sink, you got it, do your thing. Once I was finished, I rinsed out all of the product and picked out my hair. This is my true length, and I blot dried it with my t-shirt, and I can still see some moisture and feel moisture in my hair, which is perfect for our Coco Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioning process, because you want your hair to still be moist before you add this as well. So it's actually perfect for your hair to be a little drenched, a little drip. So I like to use a hefty amount because I have a big head. No, I'm just kidding. Because I have thick hair and my scalp is very dry. So I like to use enough product to get all the way deep into my pores and cover every last strand of my thick hair. So once I was finished adding the product and massaging it gently into my scalp, it was time to be placed under the dryer after I used my shower cap, of course. The directions call for a 10-minute drying process. Whoa. And some people do 10, some people do 15. I did 10. No big deal. Once I was finished, I did not pick out before using my S-curl. And for those of you who don't know what S-curl is, it is for curls, waves, and natural hair. It's a curl activator moisturizer, and it's an anti-frizz. So this always does me justice right after I complete any process, shampooing and conditioning my hair or deep conditioning process of my hair. This curl activating moisturizer really does kiss and love on my hair once I'm done doing everything to it. Ooh, watch out, hey. And that's pretty much the end of this video. I like to sponge my hair as well once I'm done to define my curls a little bit more. And that's pretty much it. It was my first time using these products and doing this process, and it's my first time not really having hair, so I really appreciate all of the love and support, and would love if you could please like, comment, and subscribe. Kisses.